Hi, I'm Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM Japan. I do the customer support for OpenLM as well. Today, I would like to introduce the new product, Dongle monitoring. For now, it's just for cloud. Maybe in the future, could be for on-premise as well. But right now, just only for cloud. First of all, I would like to log into the OpenLM Cloud. Yeah, this is your customer portal. So you will see your product you registered and activated. So this is your dongle monitoring. Then I have my desktop. This is my desktop, and then I install the new agent version 23.1. Then that agent is connecting to the cloud, my cloud account. So reporting to the end user service in cloud and the dongle monitoring in cloud. So I connected my private USB device to this desktop. So I will check that information from control panel. From control panel, go to the device and printer. Then you will see your USB connected. Then go to property, hard property, hardware, and then property, and then details, and then choose the hardware ID. Hardware ID. Then you will see the vendor ID number and then product ID number. So you have to remember this. So go back to your cloud portal, open up the dongle monitoring UI, browser UI. You will get the tour guide, so please do not worry, but we will skip it today. Go to the vendor, and then without registering the vendor, you cannot monitor the dongle device, so you have to register. So we remember the device hardware ID, so I will type it in here and then add it. So now the device is registered in the dongle monitoring. For example, you have to go. No, I mean like agent installation folder. You have to check the settings JSON file. Please make sure the property dongle monitoring, the use dongle monitoring is true, set to be true, and then report interval in minutes. The default is like 1440. It means like 1 day. So agent is reporting to the dongle monitoring and then end user service once a day. But today I would like to set it like 5 minutes. So once you change the setting, you have to restart the agent. So you go to the personal dashboard and then restart agent. Then live feed will report the status and conditions. These are also logged in the agent logs. So if you go to the agent setting and then open up the log, you will see the dongle monitoring log. These information also be displayed in the live feed, so please do not worry. But if you want to check it quickly, you can take a look at the log. So from the log, like the registered device, you can see the product ID and vendor ID, right? And then it says it's connected and reporting to the dongle monitoring and end user service. So please remember that you have to register the vendor, otherwise it will not be reported. So from the dongle usage, you can choose your device. You can also choose your vendor. These are filters. You can apply filter like workstation host name and then username. Yeah. Then also you can maybe if the agent is disconnected, it means like a USB device is also disconnected. But as you can see, like device is still connected right now for now. And then connected time and then disconnected time, you can also filter. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening, and then I wish you will enjoy our new product. Thank you very much. Bye now.